I am the Zhangshu traditional Chinese medical processing technique, or you can call me a gem in the history of Chinese pharmacy, stir-fry and soaking steaming roasting, baking sun-drying slicing story. These are all part of my family of techniques, each with its own unique abilities. The sorry white peony slices is the signature fit of slicing. Family traditions teach us that, despite the complexity of processing, one shall spare no effort. For thousands of years, I have been working hard, not daring to slack off for a moment. Through my handling more than 100 types of toxic Chinese medical materials and over 400 materials with strong properties can be transferred to heal and save life. In my brain, I stood in a tractile balanced with Beijing style and Sichuan style medicine processing. Pharmacists from Zhangshu carried me across the length and breadth of the country, leaving behind the renewment saying that medicine without processing in Zhangshu is ineffective. Herbs not sourced from Zhangshu are incomplete. Today, I am still here in Zhangshu, the medicine capital, persevering and innovating the legacy of traditional Chinese medicine. I am the Zhangshu traditional Chinese medicine processing technique. I am from Jiangxi.